So here I'm going to show you how to create a landing page and the button. So the landing page we created is just a simple image on which we have floating uh, views. I mean the text boxes which is floated over this. Now, as I said, I don't have any object, any button object in the Tableau. So we have to add a sheet. In the sheet, you have to do some customization and it should work like a button. Okay. So I have to add a new worksheet. I'll give the worksheet name as VTN revenue analysis. Okay. So this will give me an insight that this button will navigate to revenue analysis story. In fact, button can be navigated to the dashboard, not a story, but we'll have to relate the dashboard actually, which dashboard it will be opening in a story. So here I have to first create a calculated field with this name. Right click, create a calculated field with this name and give this thing revenue analysis. Just write this one. Okay. Now I have to add this calculated uh, field to the sheet worksheet, and here uh, we will do some customizations like hide field label rows, and this which is showing ABC I have to uh, make it as a safe. So instead of ABC we will choose the shape like something this. Okay, this can be a part of the button, like when it should be a navigation. Now alright, so I can give the background to this button like here format shading. So I can give the background, say I'll have to choose the background with respect to this, so it should be blue. I'm okay with the blue color. Saving in pen, sure it can be this, then it would fit on my background. Okay, so this should be okay. Let the text color be white. Okay. So it's become a simple button, and then let's see how we can. Okay. Now I'll try to add this button here. So in the dashboard, I can add only sheets, not any other object. Okay. So I have to add this in a floating view here. In this case, this color is good. Okay, give me a second, getting a call. Can you hear me?
Can hear you.
Yeah. So this button is added now. How I can give the final touch to this button here? This become a sheet actually. So I have to give a view of a button. Right click here, hide title. Now you give the shape of this thing as a button and fit entire view. This looks like a button here. Uh, I have to give some font size even much better. Yeah, this size will look nice. Yeah, okay. No, the white color was good. Okay. Now this is the way we have created simple, and I think we miss one border on the left side. So right click format, go to border. So column, here you can choose this. Yeah, I got this border on the left side. Now the same way I create this, I have to copy paste and create other buttons like this one. uh, First of all, I have to create the uh, calculated field for all these story names, all these sheet names. Create calculated field, this single quote and this, that's it. And then uh, trend analysis, create a single quote, and this, and then give all these names. So based on the calculated field, only one object can be created and shape can be given on it. Okay. So one is revenue analysis. I'll just copy this one and duplicate it, and here I'll give the name as stock analysis BTN. Stock analysis. So what changes I need here? I will simply change this thing. Yes, stock analysis to here, and then I'll remove this one. That's it. Okay, very simple. And I will create this trend analysis, duplicate this one, and give this name BTN trend analysis. And here, just add the trend analysis to this and remove this one. So first time when I create a button, I need to give more effort. And like this, I have used this one, I can hide this. Demographic analysis. So duplicate this and ATN demographic analysis. You have to give the proper nomenclature of the button so that it can be easily understood while you are calling it in the dashboard. And finally the set analysis. So don't create the buttons from the scratch. You can simply duplicate it so that all the features, all these uh, you know features, properties, all those colors, everything will be copied here. So set analysis, can drag it here and then remove this one. So I done with all these buttons. Now I'll consume those buttons, add those buttons to the dashboard, and I will try to set the navigations. So here the next is a stock analysis. So I can add this stock analysis to this one, this label. And what next I have to do? I have to hide the title. I have to give the shape of this button to a proper shape according to the first button and fit entire view. So keep the width like this. Both are looks like same now. Same orientation, same size. We'll
Yeah.
keep this too like this. Then you can hide this one, which the shape which you have consumed. Hide this. Change analysis. Hide title. The next is you can drag it to the proper and give it a proper shape and fit entire view. Hide title. Fit entire view. Demographic analysis. It needs a little bit, uh, long width to be there. So accordingly, we can fit in place. Yeah, nice. So finally, set analysis. So these are all my modules names. Okay, so I could create all my buttons. If you see this, it's giving a proper view to my dashboard, proper complete looks to my dashboard. All right, now it is done. So this looks good. So when you see the full screen mode and the presentation mode, this looks nice. But when you're clicking on this any button, it's not navigating to the type-in page. So here you need to set the navigations. Okay, that's nice. So how we can enable the navigations from this page? And when you click on the revenue analysis, story is a frame. So I have to navigate to the first page of this dashboard. Hmm. So I can give this as a revenue analysis. Say, and which is sales analysis. And just give the name as revenue, which is don't give it space, revenue analysis. So here is trend analysis. It's trend demographic. So here it will come to the first page, first dashboard, which I can give geographic analysis. I'll just rename it so that I will not be confused. Demographic analysis is the first aspect. Now set analysis, set report. Okay, let it be. So I'll be navigating to this set report. All right. So now these two sheets can be hidden because I haven't consumed this one in the dashboard. Now it's time to set the navigation. So here we are in the dashboard level, not in the story level. From dashboard level, we will be able to navigate to dashboard. So story is just a frame where this dashboard will be shown. But first page would be when you click on this, it will be loading this page, revenue analysis. When you click on this stock analysis, it will be loading this line chart analysis. I can just make it as stock analysis. Okay, fine. So from here in the dashboard, go to dashboard menu and go to action. Here you need to apply the first action, which is revenue analysis. Give link on navigation and NAV. revenue analysis. So here from this button is revenue analysis. From the source you need to check from the home page. Revenue analysis should be selected. So on selection of the revenue analysis, where I should go? I should be going to the sheet, the dashboard called revenue analysis. This one, I'll be navigating to this dashboard on single click. On a single click, first one is done. So let's see whether we are done with it or not. Is it working or not? So if I'm clicking anything here, there's no navigation. But if I'm clicking this one, you see, I could navigate it to this particular page. So we are done. Are you following? Are you okay with the speed? Hello?
We see the screen.
Yeah. So let's do the second one. I'll choose the stock analysis, go to dashboard action, create filter, NAV analysis. So from the page, you need to choose this one button stock analysis, and where it will be navigated, it will be navigated to the dashboard called stock analysis, and choose the run action as on single click, and here we go. So the last one like this, the third one is trending report, which is our dashboard. You can choose this one, choose this one. And then demographic, so you need to choose from the source dashboard the button, the object you need to choose. So based on the click of this object, it will navigate it to the dashboard. That is demographic analysis. And run it. And the final one is the set analysis. So I can just choose this one, set analysis, NAV, and it will go to the set report. I think there was a where is that report name? The dashboard name. I need to check from here again. Okay, we will check it here. Sit. Oh, it was a. It is a sing. It's not a dashboard actually. It's an object. Okay, it's a sheet. So that's why it is not listed in the dashboard menu. So just it is a set analysis and edit. So don't go to choose the dashboard. Here it is set report. There is one report we must have. Yeah, this one. So from this dashboard, you can go to an individual sheet. You can go to an individual dashboard, but you cannot navigate to the story because I don't have any story listed here in the target sheet. Okay, are you getting the story here? You're getting the
No,
list of the
we are not
dashboard.
getting.
So the dashboard icon is this one, like frame, like a window, and sheet icon is just like a bar chart icon. So from the dashboard level, you can navigate to on object, on sheet, and another dashboard. But you cannot navigate to a story. The story do not have any entity itself. All right, we're done with all this object and navigation of the landing page. So click on the presentation view and let's see whether we are able to navigate to the page or not. Yes, we're done with this. I'm clicking on demographic analysis. I'll click here. So I'm coming to the right page actually. Trend analysis, yes, we are fine with this. Stock analysis, yes, of course we are fine with this. So then we can navigate to the internal pages here, which is there adjacent to this. So we have done a good dashboard with a lot of KPIs, with a lot of objects and a lot of sheets, and the landing page, all the stuffs. is there. Various type of beautiful reports we have created. All the objects we have used, all the properties we have used. We have used advanced analytics like predictive analytics, release report, demographic analysis, all this stuff. So let's wrap up the session today with this, and we completed our development part. Then tomorrow I'll show you how to deploy this dashboard in the server and how to create the server environment. Okay,
Okay.
sure. Okay, thank you so much. So meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.